This is a Kbhome Plan 2715. It's a 4-bedroom house. Let's go inside and take a look. Wow. Entry is huge, 8-foot door. And a big porch area. So this area, we call it a flex area. Set up as a dining right now, but I've seen it set up as a study or an additional living area. This is wood floor. This is all upgraded. Spindles are upgraded, and the elevation to 9 feet is also upgraded. Let's look to the left. So you come in off the garage right there, and there's storage. Powder room for your guests. And then the utility room is downstairs. There's a big utility room. You can put your washing machine over here, dryer right there, and still have room for something, storage or whatever, right over here. There's a big space. 9-foot ceilings as well. Looks good. I'll probably put cabinets up there. So the stairway coming in from the front door right there is going up, but let's look at the downstairs first. So we have a storage under the stairs, and it goes all the way around the corner. This is the view into the living room and the kitchen. This is big furniture. There's chairs. There's all kind of stuff going on in here. Couches. Over here would be a breakfast area. And a covered patio outside. This is really large. You can see it goes more than half the width of the house. Lots of cabinet space. Beautiful granite, stainless steel appliances. And that's the pantry over here. The master is downstairs on this one, so let's go over here and take a look. Wow, kind of storage right over here or something you can put there. Here's the toilet, it has a door on it. And a separate tub shower. Big closet, home networking is in here. So this would be the closet area. View of the bathroom again. There's a seat in the center. This is upgraded. This is a big bedroom. Coming on out, back into the living room, kitchen area. Let's go upstairs. So we have a large game room up here. And there's another version of this home where you come off the landing right here, and then right there is a movie theater, and it can go back. So we have one bedroom down, we got 3 up. Bathroom 2. More storage right outside the bathroom. Beautiful bedroom. And a two-door closet. Another bedroom. Big walk-in area here. Then you go over here. The colors, they do a good job here. This purple here and that purple over there looks really good. Anyway, good space here. Decent. And that one is a walk-in. Check that out. So it's a little deeper. And the last one is bedroom 3. Upstairs in the master down, 4-bedroom total, okay? Full-size bed, and you can see there's end tables on both sides, and there's still a little gap over here for room, so this is a good size room. And the closet is a walk-in closet, so it's big. And we go back into the game room. This is a big couch. Still got chairs, seats over here, whatever you want to do. So this is a plan 2715. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask me on the comment section below. Thank you.